My biggest mistake I made as a real estate investor. That's what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. I'm gonna be going over what I did that was just so bad because I don't want to see you make this mistake. And I know for a fact that you could take action today, implement what I'm gonna be talking about right away so you can make sure you are set to have a clear path on how to real estate invest, from house hackers to fix and flippers to beginners in real estate. This video is going to apply to you big time, and I wanna make sure that your real estate journey is smooth and successful. My name's Shawn McEnteer. I'm the house hacking realtor of Northern New Jersey and the team leader of the Living North Jersey real estate team. My wife and I have been house hacking for over a decade. We've gotten to a place now where we are financially free and we help others, people like you, follow the same path and journey that we did so we can accelerate it and eliminate the failure rate of new investors coming into today's market. If you're thinking of buying property in Northern New Jersey, investing in Northern New Jersey, or selling in Northern New Jersey, this is the perfect channel for you. Why don't you hit the like, hit subscribe, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos that are happening about Northern New Jersey, because I want to make sure you're the first to know about them all. It's a crucial video today. It's a mistake, and mistakes are huge because they are opportunities to learn. When we first started out, we knew we wanted to invest, did not know how to invest. So fortunately, we took action. Unfortunately, it was in a direction that probably shouldn't have gone. You know, we bought a single family house in a market that's really better and more shaped towards multifamilies. Now look, don't get me wrong, North Jersey, you can do it both ways. You can go single family, multifamily, but where we were in life, having children and you know, not really situated yet with where we wanted to be with work and everything, single family did not make much sense. We bought that single family, moved in, renovated it, and it worked out all right. Then we kind of found there's a lot of other people out there that were investing and that were doing what we wanted to do, but we did not know about it because we weren't connected with them yet. So today's video, the basis is going to be not necessarily about buying the wrong property. We're gonna try and avoid that for you, but it's gonna be connecting with the right people using a who, not how mentality, because my wife and I the whole time, we were trying to figure out how to do something ourselves, which is a lot of trial and error, on repeat, instead of just finding the individual that was doing what we wanted to do so we could get to the next level. So whether you are house hacking, fix and flipping, heck, maybe you're into the stock market, it doesn't really make a difference. This video is gonna apply to you because at the end of the day, you wanna find the individual that is gonna be able to help you as a guide, repeating their systems. So once we found that, hands down, it changed our lives because we took the guesswork out of things. When we first were buying that single family home where we knew we wanted to invest but didn't know how to, we were working with a family friend realtor. He was a good realtor, well known in town. But at the end of the day, I don't necessarily know that he invested himself. I don't even know that he owned a house himself, but we were taking investment advice from him. And he's saying, oh yeah, single family is great. You know, all the basic things like, oh, it's gonna appreciate. Oh, owning a home is the best thing you can do in your life. And it was just, you know, the ABC type stuff. We fell for it, we bought the place, and we made it work. We actually turned a profit on it a little bit. We sold it a couple years down the road, then repeated the strategies from people that knew what they were doing, that were living through real estate investing. And that's where our goals skyrocketed from there. It was a night and day difference in everything that we were purchasing compared to the single family, that multifamily. So we used this who not how mentality, found the who, and it was simply a house hacker that he was acquiring properties, buying more and more and more. He did it a couple years prior to us, and we were just like, okay, let's just repeat the secrets. And that's what we did. And that's what I want to make sure you do. Right now, whether you are in North Jersey or Northern Idaho, it doesn't make a difference. There's someone in your market that's doing what you want to do. And I strongly suggest you align with them because that is gonna be your fast track, is figuring out ways to get to where you want to be. So if your goal is to house hack, just go find a house hacker out there, connect with them, and see if you can use them. What's great about real estate is there's a lot of time and places where you can go to actually connect with others that want to share their messages, from real estate investing meetups to forums on the internet and to connecting with realtors. That's one of the cool things about this, is that, you know, realtors love to connect. So finding the right one that is doing what you want to do, you know, it's almost like a free resource. I mean, it really is, where you know, these people want to talk to you because that's how they generate their business. They want to share their goals and they want to help you as a guide. The key is just finding the right one, finding the one that is on the same path that you want to be on. Whatever it is that you want to do, I kid you not, it doesn't even have to be real estate related. Just finding that who, connecting with them on a high level will get you places much faster than doing countless hours of research. Everything you do is going to be, you know, am I doing this the right way? Do I buy this property? Do I buy that property? Consistently second guessing yourself. Just get on that fast track. Find the who. Don't focus on the how. So when you find the who in all this, it's going to be much smoother because you're more than likely going to be working with someone that has the experience, that's done it before. You're not working with someone that's hypothesizing about this, like, well, maybe it will work if you do it like this, or I think it might, or possibly. It's no, don't do that. Do it like this, ABC, here are the steps. This is what worked for me. This is what works for my clients. This is how it works. Just repeat what is working instead of guessing. So when you're working with someone that has done this, they have the experience that you need. And the experience is what matters when purchasing real estate. You do not want to just guess work at all this. That does not get you places. It might, but it's more based on luck, where I'd rather just repeat a simple system that I know worked for someone else, take it and put it into my own business. And that's exactly what my wife and I did. We literally just aligned with people that were doing what we wanted to do, repeated it, and here we are today. Now our goal is to help others do the same thing. And we sure as heck just share our systems. And that's what we do to be successful in real estate investing. Really quick, if there's a type of real estate investing that you're most interested in, I want to hear about it. Please put a comment below. Where can you find these people that you want to connect with? Huge one for me personally was actually on the internet. I found someone in a real estate forum. I saw they're local, reached out, had a conversation, and it was great. It changed my life. It was just connecting with the person that's doing exactly what I wanted to do. So easy, and it fast-tracked everything for us. Other places could be real estate investing meetups. I personally host a real estate investing meetup in northern New Jersey that happens every month. We do coffee, sometimes we'll do an evening at a bar, but at the end of the day, it's a great place where contractors come in, attorneys, beginners, experienced. We have people that are doing all levels of real estate investing. So it's a really awesome atmosphere, and they love helping one another out. So maybe you're in a position where it's like you don't know what you want to do yet in real estate. That could be a good resource for you. And then just getting out there and meeting new people. I mean, I kid you, maybe your relatives, maybe there's someone, a friend, family, just asking, having conversations with people like, hey, who do you know doing real estate? I'd love to connect with that person. So being out there, finding people to find that who is not that difficult. You can do that right now today, whether you're on the internet or you find a real estate investing meetup. Either way, if you need access to my real estate investing meetup, make sure to reach out. I'm happy to share that with you. Love to have you at the next one. So a really cool example of the who, not how method is people will come to me all the time and they're like, hey, Shawn, I want to fix and flip real estate. And I flat out tell them, I am not your guy for that. I've never done it before. I'm not the way, I don't have systems in place to do a fix and flip, because you need to obviously acquire the property, you need to sell it or renovate it very quickly, then sell it and move on to the next. So I'm like, hey, I don't do that, but I've got plenty of agents, particularly ones in my organization that are on my team and everything that do that I can refer you to. Now people on the other hand say, hey, I want a house hack. I'm like, well, that is exactly what I specialize in. That is what I've done. acquired many properties. I've got to financial freedom. I've implemented strategies. It's what I focus on. So that's my who. It's cool knowing that you can find individuals that are doing it and it's not guessing. Because at the end of the day, the last thing I want to do is guess on how to fix and flip and guess for you. I want to see you be successful. I'm very good at finding multifamily house hacks. I'm very good at finding single family house hacks as well, but I'm not very good at fix and flips. So rather than figuring it all out and guessing for myself and putting you at risk, I'd rather just refer you to someone who's really good at it. That way they're right in their lane doing what they do best. I'm in my lane doing what I do best. And we have plenty of business going around to help people because it's what we focus on. So finding the who in this becomes very powerful because you find someone like myself or like I don't even want to touch other things because I'm so dedicated to what I'm best at and I just focus on it. You too can get to a level where you're really focused on what it is you want to do and you'll find out that you become an expert in that because you just consistently keep going through the rhythms, you keep consistently getting better and better and better. So it's really fun to actually just figure out the individual that specializes in that area of real estate, align with them, and then you start becoming that individual just because you're learning, you're going through the repetitions, and you eventually hopefully take action and leverage what you've learned and start your own journey. You might want to check out something and it's like really cool and it's gonna be right here. Why don't you click it because it's gonna be really beneficial for your real estate investing journey.